So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what is chord diagram and how to make chord diagram in Power BI. So chord diagram is a graphical method of displaying the interrelationship between each category. The data category can have a chord that connects to other categories or back to itself. When a chord connects to another category, it means the value have changed from one category to another. So for this tutorial, we will be working with this migration dataset. It has columns like from county, to county, and the migration count. The first row states that around 1050 people were migrated from this county to this county. So let's see how to make chord diagram in Power BI. So first of all, it is not an inbuilt visual, so we have to import it. In order to import it, go to visualization pane, click on these three dots, and click on get more visuals. Over here search for chord, and this one you can just click on add. It will get added into your visualization pane. Now it is over here, just double click on this, so it will get added into your Power BI report. I will maximize it. Now in the from field I will put from county. In the to field I will put to county, and in the values field I will put migration count. Now let's see what this chord tells us. So first of all the ages, they are representing all the different counties. Let's take an example of this dual county and this clay county. So as you guys can see, this green one and this yellow one. So there is a branch that is joining them, and if you hover over this branch, it states that from dual county to clay county, around 7,000 people were migrated, and from clay county to dual, around 4715 people were migrated. And there are several branches that are coming in and that are going out from this dual country. So it's not necessary that one country has to connect only one country. It can connect to many other countries. So in this way one can make chord diagram in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.